Divine awakening, the universal call to transform and unite. May the good and powerful energy of the universe enter your entire being, and may all your ailments and difficulties be transformed into light. This is our wish for you manifested. It is divine justice making its presence here and now. May everything good you have in mind become a reality. But do not forget that you have both light and darkness within you. What is important is which part you choose to empower. Be very careful with that. Remember, what you have many others may have, but what you are, no one else can be. The universe will send you exactly what you ask for, and then it will send you a distraction to see if you are truly ready to receive what you desired. Divinity sends you signals every day while you sleep. When you speak, in songs, license plates, when you read, pay attention, and you will notice a pattern. The universe is always trying to communicate with you. I am your brother, Jesus Sananda. Beloved brothers, we are watching the world go into recession, and it is waking up from the inside out. After all, there will only be one. There will be world unity among all living beings. We have reached a turning point. Meanwhile, the most powerful cosmic and universal energies have reached planet Earth and are already within us, just waiting to be activated and then permanently awakened. The 144,000 Masters of Light will guide and teach all humanity in the right direction of the One. To awaken the divine and to show them where the gates of heaven are, to then be opened. All of humanity is involved, and the whole planet will be filled with light. We will be a star nation among other star nations. We will belong to the Galactic Federation of the single inner light and of all the stars of the universe. There is a divine plan in motion, and it is gaining momentum. Those in power will try to cling to their illusion of power, greed, and corruption, but they will not be able to maintain their control over humanity for much longer. The transition has begun with a new alignment to enhance humanity. This will begin with the replacement of all governments. They will be replaced with a council of 144,000 Masters of Light, who will be immediately removed from their position to work for humanity in unconditional love and for the highest good of all. Many elder brothers from other galaxies like the Arcturians, the Sirians, other beings of light, are there to guide each of the Masters of Light who will work for humanity. In this way, corruption and injustices, etc., are ended. May the peace of God remain in every home in the world, and may that light of the Source illuminate every soul of all humanity. A strong solar hug for you, who have come this far, and may the purity of God purify your minds. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, serving humanity and enlightenment of the new earth. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care for you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.